On the 10th of December 1948, the United Nations General Assembly adopted the Universal Declaration of Human Rights in Paris. Welcome to HistoryPod. Efforts to define fundamental rights and freedoms began soon after the founding of the United Nations in 1945. The UN Charter referred explicitly to the promotion of human rights, and in 1946 the Economic and Social Council created the Commission on Human Rights. The Commission, chaired by Eleanor Roosevelt of the United States, brought together delegations from diverse legal and political systems to draft a document that could articulate common principles without binding states to immediate legal obligations. Drafted in the aftermath of the Second World War and the revelations of mass atrocities committed by totalitarian regimes, the declaration aimed to provide a shared framework for human dignity applicable to all nations. The process extended over 2 years and included discussions on civil, political, economic, social and cultural rights. The Commission sought to balance broad moral commitments with language acceptable to governments who were concerned about sovereignty. The final text therefore affirmed rights to liberty, security, equal protection, education, work and participation in cultural life, while rejecting discrimination on grounds such as race, sex or religion. When the draft reached the General Assembly in December 1948, political divisions were evident. Several Soviet-aligned states objected to provisions concerning individual liberties, while Saudi Arabia raised concerns about clauses relating to marriage and freedom of religion. Nevertheless, the declaration passed on the 10th of December by a vote of 48 in favour, none against, and 8 abstentions. Although not legally binding, the document marked a significant step in the development of global human rights standards.